Hey, hi, hello everyone. Let me show you a small little cute application I created. This is pure HTML and CSS. Yes, of course, it has JS. Now, what it does is a cute little fox that tracks your face using webcam. And look at this. See how cool this looks. You can create more applications that track your hand gestures, your facial expressions, so many things in so many ways. Let me know in comments how do you like this application, and of course I've uploaded it to this repo. This is the one, and this is again fun application. I'll show you sometime later, but do something with this, learn something out of this. I'll be experimenting something new with new 3D JS. Alright, enjoy and let me know how you're modifying this code or create your own variations. I'll be happy to look at it. Thank you. All right.